If you've been looking for a hosting or discount code, you came on the right video. Just click the link in my description or scan the QR code on your screen. It'll automatically redirect you to your local hostinger page.
After clicking the link, you will land on a page where the referral code at the top shows you're instantly eligible for a 20% discount. This works for anyone, no matter which country you're watching from. For demonstration, let's use the business plan. As you proceed to checkout, you can see the discount is applied automatically. Along with that, you receive 3 extra months, a free domain name, and daily backups. When it comes to the plans, this provider offers 3 distinct options for most users: the premium, business, and cloud setups. If you're new to creating websites, the premium plan is an excellent choice, as it allows you to create up to 3 websites and includes 20 gigabytes of SSD storage and a free domain name. For those with more traffic or who want to experiment with multiple projects, I recommend the business plan, which lets you host up to 50 websites on their fastest NVMe storage. And if you're looking for enterprise-level reliability and dedicated resources, the cloud setup is the way to go. You can check out the latest prices by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.